Okay, guys, I wanted to talk about real quick. So many people on Facebook and Instagram are talking about their medical procedures they're having by saying they've gotten this wonderful, fabulous thing that they call an experimental vaccine. So since everybody's being open about their medical procedures, I'm going to talk about one real quick. And the issues I'm having right now. I'm in a lot of pain right now because I have a thrombosed hemorrhoid. It's excruciating pain. And the interesting thing with this whole situation is my medical doctor, Dr. Michael Rosemore, who was a very good friend of mine for many, many years. I've been to the doctor once in the last 15 years, and that was 4 years ago with a thrombosed hemorrhoid, also 4 years ago. So on Thursday, I called who used to be a very good friend, Dr. Michael Rosemore in Hueytown, Alabama, who's a practicing medical doctor that took an oath to take care of his patients, and told him about my situation and how I need to go and have it cut and relieved like he's done in the past. And his nurse called me back and let me know that I would have to wear a mask, and that if I refused to wear a mask, that they in Hueytown, Dr. Michael Rosemore, will not see me as a patient. So because number one, I have a medical condition that prevents me from wearing a mask, but number two, it goes against my religious beliefs because I believe it's very satanic and Luciferian to wear a mask. Plus, I don't practice the Muslim faith, which I have nothing against the Muslim faith. I just choose to practice Christianity, and I choose not to cover my face because I want to be able to speak God's truth and speak His word. And number three, it's against the law here in Alabama to wear a mask in public, and has been for a little over 70 years. But yet Dr. Michael Rosemore thinks that, again, his policy at his clinic and the oath that he took, he can deny my constitutional rights, he can deny the American Disabilities Act, and he can deny the Civil Rights Act, and he can deny me service. That's where we're going with all this, guys. This whole thing about a mask was nothing but conditioning, getting you to bow down, getting you to conform for the vaccine. And as I said the other day, that pretty much things will not go back to normal till we all get the vaccine. And you'll see that people that now that have gotten the vaccine, they're being told by the CDC that they don't have to wear a mask anymore. Well, I've never had to wear a mask, still never wore a mask, and never will wear a mask, and I'll never be vaccinated because this is my temple that God's gifted me to take care of, and this mRNA vaccine, I believe, is very, very, very bad. And you guys need to do your own research. But this is where it's coming. I now am being denied medical service or medical treatment for a medical procedure that needs to be done ASAP, but my medical doctor, Dr. Michael Rosemore in Hueytown, Alabama, will not treat me because I have a medical condition that prevents me from wearing a mask. It goes against my religious beliefs to wear a mask, and it's against the law to wear a mask. But yet Michael thinks he's God, and Dr. Rosemore thinks that his policy trumps all law. How do you guys feel about that?